You doing this line?
Yeah, but you're out. You're out.
All right.
He knows about
When he gets up that far, you'll know to move.
Yeah.
About cameras?
Huh?
Do you know anything about cameras?
Not really.
Okay. I don't know if I'm recording or not. Yeah, you lost your license plate. Let me pull it off.
That'll work.
You're gonna have to come up on this one, George.
So turn driver and back up. Yeah, turn driver and back up. And now turn passenger and get it started up here, and then you can turn into it.
Yeah.
Turn passenger. Nope, back up. There you go. Now you can straighten it out. Now you straighten it out.
Try to get up on this. This little knob right here, George.
Stay right there. Now turn hard driver and go forward. What I'd like to do is get your tires up on these. So turn hard passenger and let's back you up to here.
I just put on more.
You want a hat?
Not your sweaty one.
What we got right now? Put a hat on you.
No.
Okay, that's good. Now turn hard driver. Try to drive up.
Hot when you get out of the wind. When the wind disappears, there's nothing to make you sweat evaporate. Get warm down in your can.
Yeah, that was the line, because that raised your belly pan up enough so you can clear it.
Pretty sick shot from the
Turn
back.
passenger. Shoot for that.
Watch it.
Huh?
No, you have to do it again.
When you go back to the page, always when you go back to the radios that we wanted.
There you go. George, you're gonna have to stay as high as you can up on this nub over here.
Yeah.
And then on your right, it'll lift you on that boulder.
Okay, that's good. Hard left to go forward.
There we go.
Yeah, that might be better.
Start hanging it to the right. Right. There you go. Oh, that was so close. Alright, I'll pull it out of here. I'll get it pretty dry. That's the damage I do. You just need some bigger tires.
Yeah, there you go.
What? Just need bigger tires.
Full shots.
drive?
I'm getting in the under.
You think I care about braking stuff?
It's catching me on the undercut.
Okay.
You wanna drive?
Whoa, Bronco!